Hello friends, who are you according to yourself? Each one of us have a definition of ourselves. This definition is what tells us what our beliefs are, what we are capable of, and what our limitations are. Often we cannot go beyond this self-image, what it tells us. We will limit ourselves according to the definitions that we have for ourselves. The irony is, the self-image most of the time may not be the real us. The self-image is built over the period of time by different factors. It could be societal conditioning, parental conditioning, education system, and the perception of others and their feedback on you. What they have told, you look like a weak person, you don't have a strong mind to do these things. When we receive these things, and if we believe them, and we would think that it is real, and we will make our self-image according to these perceptions. Now, because the self-image has been built and believed that that is you in real, any idea, any ideology that comes in the same direction of the self-image, which is positive to the self-image, you will accept and add and make the self-image stronger. Anything that is coming against these beliefs, against this definition, you will reject it immediately without rationalizing between these two ideas, whether they are real or not. So what happens is, your self-image becomes stronger and stronger due course of the time, and you completely keep yourself closed-minded and not open-minded for any new ideas, because new ideas most probably are against your self-image you built. Now, how to tackle this? You can completely redefine your self-image. You can actually understand yourself, your true capabilities, your true beliefs, your true values, and then redefine your self-image by thorough practice. This is proven that once you rebuild your self-image closer to who you really are, then the chances are you becoming successful are very high. Whenever you think of yourself in future, you think of yourself through your true potential. You are able to do whatever you truly are. Your capacity needs to be measured from your past successes and believed there can be repeated in amplified manner in future. If you have this belief, then the belief becomes your self-image, and then that leads to your success. Thank you.